I've arrived at the St. Joseph's Woodworkers Shrine. This is a wooden steeple, and it came off of St. Bernard's Catholic Church when they were going to construct a new church in Wamego. It was taken to this new location and erected in 2018, and this is private land that's owned by the Heinen family. It's about 25 miles northeast of Topeka, and it's a nice little day trip if you want to come. It's about 300 feet up to the steeple on a grassy path. So I made it to the top of the shrine, and inside it's a little place where you can pray. And there's a beautiful stained glass here of Mary and Jesus. And here's Joseph, and there's Mary. And there's a little pew where you can sit for some reflection, I guess, with some more pictures. Goes way up to the top there, like that. It's just a little bit of a climb up the mountain. It's a little mountain with a little pathway. It's very interesting though. I'm glad I came up here, and it's the Litany of St. Joseph is here. And there's a little card. I'm not sure if you're allowed to take that. I'm going to grab it. I think you can. This is very interesting though. There's a really nice door that I entered in through. And if I exit out here, you're just overlooking the highway. If for some reason you have some mobility issue and you can't climb up the mountain, the small mountain, to get to the doorway, there is a bulletin board that has a full description of how the steeple was moved, the history behind it, showing pictures of its transition onto the hilltop, and then you can just see the final picture of what it looks like.